what are the symptoms of osteoporosis? And this is something that is really important because people ask about this all the time. As many other conditions, unfortunately, osteoporosis is a very silent condition. So there are not many symptoms, at least not when the osteoporosis is starting. When we have osteopenia, probably there are not going to be any symptoms. As bone density begins to decrease, then the normal spine that's supposed to have certain shape will start to get kyphotic, which means that you're going to have that little lump on your back because the shape of the vertebra begins to change, and then the spine begins to have a bigger curvature. So that's one of the symptoms. Of course, this at a certain point is normal because, as you might know, with age, as I mentioned before, we lose some bone density. So all of us will shrink a little bit throughout our lives. So we will end up being shorter. But then having that process, which is very notorious, having a very big curvature in your spine, that's a symptom of osteoporosis. And certain pain, but we have to clarify that most pains in the bones are not really because of osteoporosis. Like I was telling you, it's very, very silent. But there are some that might be because you are starting to develop small fractures, especially if you have trauma. So of course, pain in your hips and pain in your back might be sign that you are having those fractures and that maybe you should be checked.